Hello niece and nephew, this is Uncle Robert. This week, how can we talk about something other than Dogecoin? We saw Bitcoin tumble 15% overnight. Some blame it on a Turkish ban, some blame it on the Chinese minor power outage. I think this is all due to sharks and whales taking advantage of headlines, dumping Bitcoin, so highly leveraged accounts would be wiped out. Long squeeze are like GameStop, but just the opposite. This might also be the reason why Bitcoin is not surging yet. The big sharks want to clear all of these accounts out. Back to Dogecoin. Yes, this alternative coin, also known as altcoin, that jumped up to 500% this week alone. A coin that was created in 2014 as a joke.
There can be, Litecoin, Feathercoin, whatever coin. There can be Dogecoin.
Did you think of it as a joke back then?
Yeah, absolutely. It definitely started as a joke. And if you look back at, the original website that I put up at DOGEcoin.com, it specifically said it's a parody cryptocurrency.
With no utility purpose at all, jumping all the way above $50 billion in market cap. How is this even possible? We're going to discuss what caused the pump. Will there be a dump? Can Dogecoin eventually hit 50 cents or $1? What does this mean for the crypto market as a whole? Will this crash Bitcoin? And most importantly, what are the telltale signs that the run is about to end? I'm sure all of us are in for the dollar, but we do not want to be caught holding the bag. So Uncle Robert hopes this video is going to be useful to you. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Full disclosure, as soon as Uncle Robert saw this trending, I took a very small position and I tripled my money. As of making of this video, I am totally out of Dogecoin, but I'm looking for more opportunities to get back in for a quick dollar. This is definitely not a coin you want to hodl for the long term. Disclaimer, this is not investment advice. All this is Uncle Robert's own opinion. Please make your own analysis. So let's start with some history on this coin. So a little bit background on this coin. Back in 2014, there were so many coins being created. So one evening, the creator, someone from Adobe, actually went and bought this website called DOGEcoin and created a coin copying Litecoin. This was meant to be a joke. It was meant to have no purpose and not meant for store of value. In fact, billions of these coins are going to be created every single year. So there's a huge concern for inflation of this coin compared to Bitcoin, who has 21 million finite quantity. So there will never ever be inflation. In fact, there's going to be depreciation as many users lose their Bitcoin over time. Inflation is a huge concern for coins. As we know, in fiat currency, where the government keeps pumping dollars every year, the value of the dollar decreases over time, and no one controls how much they can print. So cryptocurrencies are trying to overcome this problem by making themselves deflationary. Besides Bitcoin, almost all other coins are inflationary. More coins are being minted every single year. So tokens like Binance Coin are creating self-destruct mechanisms to control the quantity of coins in circulation. Back to Dogecoin. Today, with so many coins in the market, they are actually instilling some fear in the buyers. Pump and dump schemes, ulterior motives of the creator, as well as inflation and coin utility, ability to build projects on the coin itself. All these factors affect how these coins are adopted into mainstream and how they appreciate. However, Dogecoin, who has none of these ulterior motives, as well as no dedicated software team that continuously improve the functionality of Dogecoin, is basically left for dead unless some voluntary software engineer actually helps overcome flaws and tries to do something to improve Dogecoin. It is an open source code. With that out of the way, we can see why many people are placing their trust in this token. Having no ulterior motives is a big enabler. However, this coin is in the mainstream meme category. With the Shiba Inu as the image of this coin, it is a perfect object to explode within the meme culture. All it takes is for some celebrity to post tweets like this and this. And next thing you know, Dogecoin's up to the moon. All this is based on hype. There's no real fundamentals. Until recently, you can see billionaire Mark Cuban trying to make utility out of this coin. What else? Slim Jims jumping on the bandwagon as well, using the hype around Dogecoin to sell their own brand. 420 is a big day. It is also a lot easier for retail traders to think going from 10 cents to 20 cents is probably easier than Bitcoin going from 60,000 to 120,000, right? So without looking at the market cap of Dogecoin, seems like a target for this hype is 50 cents. And then the next target is going to be $1. That would put Dogecoin way higher than $100 billion, more expensive than COINbase. The mega IPO this week. It is surprising that Dogecoin is not available in many brokerages. However, a popular brokerage like Robinhood, who does not have many coins to offer, actually has Dogecoin. And as a result, with so much volume traded, Robinhood actually went down 2 days in a row. The volume trading Dogecoin is really through the roof. So given that this coin is all driven by hype, one way to know when this ends is to check the hype meter. One way to check it is Google Trends. Look at what we found at Google Trends. Next method is Twitter trending. Dogecoin was trending on Twitter initially, and then later on we found that FOMO was trending. So we know many people who got in were actually scared that they might be holding the bag, just like GameStop. We also see Dogecoin being called out in CNBC and multiple medias, and called out by many celebrities. I would call this peak media. And what I see is peak media is slowly coming down. So for now, I think that Dogecoin is going to slowly melt over time, until the next mega tweet. From who else other than Elon Musk? That might be the catalyst to 50 cents or $1. I'll be sure to look out for it. And as soon as I see the tweet, it is time! Dogecoin today is being accepted in over 1,000 places. Who knows, one day it might be accepted by Apple Pay or Tesla. But until we find a stability in Dogecoin, we do not see this coming very soon. And many retail traders who are hoping for a quick buck actually do not want it to stabilize. See what happened to Bitcoin. There's so much adoption on Bitcoin by major institutions like this. And what happened to Bitcoin? It's going nowhere. The gains in Bitcoin is so minimal compared to all the altcoins. However, Bitcoin is still a big brother. As soon as we see weakness in Bitcoin, we see all the altcoins dropping. So we can use Bitcoin's strength as another measure of altcoins' positivity. Having said that, if you're invested in Dogecoin, congratulations, you probably have made a lot. It never hurts to take a profit. For now, I do not think that Dogecoin is one long-term investment. But if you want to hodl till $1, be ready to ride out the volatility and always keep a lookout on Elon Musk tweet. I hope you find this useful. Always remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye!